Senior Minister in the Office of the President with responsibility for finance, the Honorable Dr. Ashley Singh on Thursday presented the $22.5 billion loan document for the construction of the Linden Mabura Road to the National Assembly. Minister Singh told the House the loan agreement for the 121-kilometer thoroughfare was signed on February 24th last between the government and the Caribbean Development Bank, CDB. The road project ranks high on the PPPC administration's development agenda as it will transform travel between Region 10 and the hinterland. Construction is expected to begin during the last quarter of 2021 and last until 2024. On April 15th, 18 contractors submitted pre-qualification documents for the project. The 190 million US dollar road is being funded jointly by the CDB, the United Kingdom, and Guyana. The UK is providing 66 million US dollars and Guyana the remaining 12 million US dollars.